Hey crafty people, in this video we're going to be talking about an abbreviation Cont, C-O-N-T, which stands for continue. Typically it's used when you've got a pattern, a stitch pattern established and you have to carry on until a certain number of rows or a certain length is reached. So for instance, I've got this 2-row repeating pattern and I want to continue until, let's say, it's a square. So this row I've got the single crochet and chain row, so chain 3, single crochet in the chain in between, crochet 3, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet into the turning chain, and then we're on the kind of like a granny square type side, so I will do 3 double crochet into the chain spaces, chain 1, and then again double crochet into the chain spaces 3 times. And I would carry on until I said it'll be a square. So that is continue, C-O-N-T, Cont.